Good morning everyone! This is me again, Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of Mega World AFA. Guys, again nandito tayo ngayon sa clubhouse ng Maple Grove Park Village. And as you can see, wala naman din talaga akong masabi because napakaganda ng clubhouse natin dito. And sa mga clients ko na nakapanood ng vlog ko, yung una kong vlog na feature ko itong clubhouse with the promo terms. The good news, why I made this vlog. The good news, meron po kasi tayong bagong promo terms ni Maple Grove Park Village. And ang promo natin ngayon for this village is for as low as 24,000 per month, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Grabe naman yon. This village, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Yet ganito kagandang village inside the Mega World Township. And guys, as you can see kung titignan nyo, itong clubhouse natin na to is collaborated with the WATG. Imagine if you can own a 280 square meter lot here for as low as 24,000 per month. Ang ganda lang, So in this vlog guys, i-feature ko sa inyo yung mga lot offerings natin and yung mga payment terms and promo terms nitong village. So excited na ba kayo? Yes, and dadaling ko kayo doon. So let's go guys! Tignan natin ang mga magagandang natira pang available lot because this village has only 377 saleable lots. Let's go! So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual site nitong mga lot offerings natin, Ang ganda lang ng lote na to kasi this is near corner Rosemary Street, So sa mga clients na mahilig sa corner lots, Sino ba naman may ayaw ng corner lots? Ang ganda lang ng lot na to at block 17, lot 16. So ipa-flash ko sa screen yung lot location and map natin. So guys, this is 419 square meter lot, Ang ganda nito because sobrang malapit ka lang din sa clubhouse natin and syempre malapit ka lang din sa second entry natin or guardhouse and of course ayun na yung CBD ng Maple Grove. Muntik ko na masabing Makati because it looks like in Makati talaga, or BGC. But then guys, this 419 square meter, the price is at 29.9 million. Pero guys, this is at installment basis. Because of the newest promo terms ni Mega World na 5 years to pay at 0% interest for as low as 37,000 per month with annual lump sum. Guys, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng lote na to because again, this is at 419 square meter. Ang laki ng lote na to and pwede na kayo makapagpatayo ng dream house nyo. So, ang lapit mo sa clubhouse and corner lot ka. And guys, uulitin ko sa inyo, after 5 years, hindi naman na ito yung value ng lot mo since you are part and you are inside the township. So again guys, for as low as 37K per month, ang gaan lang, with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Guys, block 17, lot 16. Ang ganda ng lote na to. It's a corner lot and 419 square meter. Kunin nyo na to because sobrang konti lang yung corner lot namin dito inside the Maple Grove Park Village. So if you love this lot or if you're interested to schedule a site tripping, please call me in my number below. Secure it for only 70,000 pesos. And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo guys, actually yung dalawang corner na yan, this is block 21 lot 5 and this is block 17 lot 16. So etong block 21 lot 5 at 400 square meter, with the total contract price of 28.6 million. Again guys, etong lote na to, this is 5 years installment at 0% interest. Uulitin ko guys, ang ganda ng lote na to kasi actually yung dalawang corner na to, eto ipa-flash ko sa screen yung lot availability. These are both available. So kung kunwari sa mga clients na may kapatid or may kamag-anak, pwede nyo pong kuhanin itong both lot na to. And syempre yung the Filipino culture na ayaw nating mawalay sa mga kapamilya natin. Guys, if you want na both lots i-avail nyo, guys, you can avail this 400 square meters for as low as 35,000 pesos per month. Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung sample computation. Etong lot na to guys, at corner lot, 400 square meters, okay? You can already build a big house for your family, yung mga extended family natin dito. Ang laki na ng magagawang bahay dito. And guys, etong 400 square meter with only 35K monthly, ang gaan nun. And ulitin ko lang sa inyo, ito yung something na talagang mapapamana nyo sa mga kids nyo in the near future once na naging operational na itong Central Business District natin. Guys, hindi na ito yung value ng lote na to. Again, meron lang kaming one village inside the township, just like the McKinley Hill and McKinley West, no? Na right now, grabe naman talaga yung presyo. And nakaka-proud lang kasi itong lote na to at this price point na hindi mo kailangan mag-cash out ng down payment, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera with only 70,000 pesos, no? And 35K monthly with annual lump sum. You can already own this 400 square meter lot na. So guys, if you're interested in this lot, kunin nyo na to. Ang ganda nito. Also yung kabila din, available din siya. Pwede kayong mamili between the two of this lot, no? For only 70K, i-reserve nyo na to. May lote na kayo dito sa loob ng Maple Grove Park Village. Again, contact me if you love to schedule a site tripping here. And good news sa mga clients na may plan na, no, to buy here in Maple Grove or dito sa township natin. This 140 hectares, no, nabanggit ko nga sa una kong vlog na yung office namin na One Corporate Place. Good news, yung mga office space natin doon almost sold out na. And guess what? Sinong mga tenants natin? From different industries, from logistic companies to different international companies na gagawin na nilang corporate center ang mga offices dito. And in the near future, maglo-launch pa tayo ng more office space here. And imagine owning a piece of lot here in Maple Grove. You can already have a target market here if you want to resale, lease, or magpatayo ng sarili mong bahay. Truly, this Maple Grove is the future Central Business District of the South. And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo, no, if you love naman yung medyo tagong lugar, this is the lot location in this map. This is located at Block 23, Lot 3B. No guys, etong lote na to, as you can see, malapit ka lang dito sa Street and Fitness Park or Active Park na pocket park nitong village. And then this Block 23 Lot 3B is at 280 square meter again. Guys, no, the total contract price of this lot is only 19.7 million if a flash ko sa screen yung sample computation. But then guys, no, this is for as low as 24,000 per month with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. You can already own this Block 23 Lot 3B. Guys, as you can see, tanaw mo pa dito yung clubhouse natin. But then again, no, itong 280 square meter na to, malapit ka rin sa guardhouse, dun sa second entry natin. And then ito na yung mga commercial district natin, as you can see yung mga building dyan. And then guys, this is 5 years to pay. Ang ganda lang nito guys kasi once na ma-develop talaga itong township natin, hindi na ito yung presyo nun. Anytime guys, no, after the reservation of 70,000, you can already own this lot. No, anytime naman guys sa 5 years, you can pay advance payment, no, para pagdating ng balance natin, maliit na lang siya. Some of the clients, no, since 0% interest nga tayo, hindi na nila namalayan na halos na pay off na nila yung buong property. So again guys, this 280 square meter, you can build your primary home or dream home or rest house for your family, a 2-story house, no, with car park. Ang ganda lang kasi you are part of this exclusive village and you are part of Mega World Township, just like etong nasa labas ko. So if you love this lot guys, please contact me in my number below to reserve this lot. So see you and mag-tour tayo dito if you want to know more. So right now, nandito naman tayo sa Block 5 Lot 11, which is a 280 square meter lot, no? Guys, itong lote na to, this is located in this block beside this cul-de-sac, no? Guys, if you're looking for exclusivity, there are some owners and clients na gusto nila, no? Kayo lang yun nandito. Ang ganda lang kasi napaka-exclusive lang ng block na ito sa limited owners and kung sino lang yung nasa block na ito. And as you can see, this is just beside this pocket garden or playground, no? So if you're starting family, you're building your small family or starting family kayo, yung mga kids nyo or even big families, no? Imagine, hindi nyo na po need ng playground inside your house. Tatawid lang kayo with this playground and magagamit nyo na siya. And this lot also is near the guardhouse, as you can see. And I can see na it's more accessible going in and out of this village. So guys, itong 280 square meter na to, the total contract price is only 19.8 million. But then no guys, this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest for as low as 24,000 pesos per month, no, with annual lump sum. And guys, after 5 years, no, hindi naman na ito yung value niya. As you can see, dito sa mga township natin, no, yung mga buildings na nakikita nyo sa likod, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung One Corporate Place office natin, napuno na siya agad ngayon ng different companies. What will be the future of this village and town? This is soon to be the central business district of this Cavite, and after 5 years, hindi na ito yung value niyan. For now, you only have to reserve it for 70,000 pesos, and after 30 days, mag-start na kayo for as low as 24,000 per month. Again guys, kung gusto nyo tong lote na to, please call me in my number below. Yan, and then I'm ready to assist and tour you dito sa Maple Grove. Again, this is Freddy Del Rosario. Please contact me if you love or if you want to reserve this lot. So guys, ayan, natapos na tayo sa ating lot offering tour. And guys, no, I hope nagustuhan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung mga latest promo terms natin and yung mga lot offerings natin na corner lot or a regular 280 square meter lot. Grabe naman guys, no? So, yun naman talaga yung purpose ng video na to, no? Guys, if you love this kind of content, if you love watching the updates of MegaWorld properties or MegaWorld updates natin or latest promo terms ng lot offering natin all throughout here in Cavite, Pampanga, Cubao, no? Or Makati projects, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel, MegaWorld Alpha by Freddy Del Rosario. Ilalagay ko yung link dito sa baba. Please, no, sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. You may also follow me in my Facebook page, MegaWorld Makati Condos. And this is me again, Freddy Del Rosario, your licensed real estate broker of MegaWorld Alpha, and always reminding you sa mga clients natin abroad, OFW or local clients dito sa Pilipinas, no matter how life takes you, home will always be the Philippines. Thank you, good night, and see you in my next vlog.